Getting your Sony wireless speaker paired is easier than you might think. First, with the speaker turned on, press and hold the Bluetooth button until the light starts double flashing. Make sure the device you want to connect to is close to the speaker. Go into the Bluetooth settings on that device and select Pair New Device. If for some reason you were paired before and cannot now, or the previous steps are not working, go ahead and restart the device and the speaker. To restart your speaker, press and hold the power button for at least 8 seconds. Once both devices restart, try again. If this does not solve the issue, you may need to delete the speaker from your device and repair it. You can also initialize the speaker, which erases all pairing data and lets you start as if the speaker was brand new. Simply press and hold these buttons right here until the speaker turns off. Then turn the speaker back on and it should automatically go into pairing mode. If not, you can always try the steps from the beginning one more time. As always, thank you for watching.